Hey, what's going on, guys? So one of the best ways to build more muscle and eventually add more weight to any kind of exercise is to pause at the hardest part of an exercise, and we're going to do just that with a barbell deadlift. So let's fuel your fitness. So when it comes to the setup, we're gonna go conventional in this video, but if you wanna do sumo, you're more than welcome to do it. So when it comes to that setup for the conventional deadlift, the big points are legs hip width apart. You wanna bend at the hips first, lower to the bar, grab that bar, tighten everything, make sure your back and core is nice and tight and your back is nice and flat, so that way there's no wasted movement when we're doing this exercise, so that way you don't hurt your back. Now when you're performing the deadlift, whether it's sumo or conventional, you're gonna perform it as any deadlift should be performed. Start pulling at that bar, lifting the weight off the ground. Now when the bar reaches your knees, you're gonna stop there because that is the hardest part of any kind of deadlift, conventional or sumo, is when the bar is at your knees. You're gonna pause it for 1 to 3 seconds and then continue going up. Now as you're going up after you pause, make sure that that leg drive is continuing along with firing those glutes. Then you're gonna lower that bar to the knees again, pause there if you want 1 to 3 seconds, and then complete the range of motion by bringing the bar or weight back to the ground. When it comes to sets and reps, I recommend 4 sets, 10 reps each with progressive overload, whether that's increasing the amount of weight after each set and or increasing the amount of time you pause when the bar is at your knees, whether you wanna do 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. It's up to you and how comfortable you are doing this exercise. Just make sure you're practicing proper deadlift mechanics though. Now the reason why this tip is a great tool to build more muscle and add more weight to the deadlift or any kind of exercise is when you stop at the hardest part of an exercise, your muscles are working harder. Now when your muscles work harder in any kind of exercise, it's more strain, more muscle damage. When those two things happen, it's more potential for muscle growth. Now, when you build more muscle, you gain more strength as well. So that way you can add more weight to the bar. But not only that though, think about it. The hardest part of an exercise is your weakest point of an exercise. So if you're specifically training and trying to get stronger in the most weakest point, and you do get stronger in that point, when you do the exercise regularly, you'll be able to lift more weight. Think about it. You know the term, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. When the weakest link gets stronger, the overall chain gets stronger. So that way you'll be able to deadlift more. And if you're getting value out of this video, please subscribe, turn on that bell, leave a comment down below, because here on this channel, we try to empower people at home and nutrition and at the gym with the goal of building muscle. So if you like that, again, subscribe and tell me if this tip helped you out in the comments below. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, waste your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.